Friends, welcome to my channel NCIT 11th class chapter 6 Anatomies of Flowering Plant. The tissue system. You can very easily the structures, similarities and various in the external morphology of the larger living organism, both plants and animal similarities. If we were to study the internal structure, one also find the several similarities as well as the differences. The chapter introduces you to internal structure and functional organization of higher plant. The study of internal plant is called anatomy. Plant have cells as the basic unit. Cells are organized into tissues and it turns the tissues are organized into organs. Different organ in a plant show difference their internal structure. Within angiosperm, the monocot internal structure also show adaptation to diverse environment. The tissue system. We were discussing types of tissue based on the type of cell present. Let us now consider how tissues vary depending on their location in the plant body. Their structures and function would also be dependent on location. On the basis of their structure and location, there are three types of tissue system. They are the epidermal tissue system, the ground fundamental tissue system, and the vascular or conductive tissue system. Epidermal tissue system. The epidermal tissue system form the outermost covering of the whole plant body and comprised epidermal cells, stomata, and the epidermal appendage, the trichomes, hairs. The epidermis is the outermost layer of primary plant body. It is made of the elongated, compactly arranged cell which form a continuous layer. Epidermis is usually single layer. Epidermal cells are parenchymatous with a small amount of cytoplasma lining the cell wall, and a large vacuole the outside of the epidermal is often covered with a waxy thick layer called a cuticles which prevent in the epidermal of leaves. Stomata regulate the process of transpiration and gaseous exchange. Each stomata is composed of two bean-shaped cells known as a god cell, which enclosed stomata pour in gases. The guard cells are dumped well shaped. The outer wall of a guard cells away from the stomata pore are thin and inner walls towards the stomata pores are highly thick. The guard cells process chloroplast and regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Sometimes a few epidermal cells in the victim of guard cells become specialized in their shapes and size are known as a subsidiary cell. The stomata, apertures, guard cells are and the surrounding subsidiary cells together called stomata, aperture. Epidermal cells, subsidiary cells, chloroplast, guard cells, stomata pore. Dramatic representation: stomata within shape guard cell, stomata with dumbbell shape guard cell. The cells of epidermal bear a number of hairs. The root hairs are unicellular elongation of the epidermal cells and help absorb waters and minerals from the soil. On the stem, the epidermal hairs are called trichoma. The trichomas in the shoot system are usually multicellular. They may be branched or unbranched and soft or stiff. They may even be secretory. The trichomas help in preventing water loss due to the transpiration. The guard tissue system. All tissue except epidermal vascular bundle consist of the ground tissues. It consists of simple tissues such as a it consists of simple tissues such as the parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma cells are usually present in cortex pericycle, with medullary rays in the primary stems and root in the leaves. The ground tissue consists of thin walled chloroplast containing cells and is called Mesophyll. Xylem, phloem. The vascular tissue system. The vascular systems consist of complex tissues of phloem and xylem. The xylem and phloem together consist vascular bundle. In dicotyledon systems, cambium is present between phloem and xylem. Such a vascular bundles, because of the presence of cambium, possess the ability to form a secondary xylem and phloem tissue. Hence are called open vascular bundle. In the monocotyledons, the vascular bundle have no cambium present in them. Hence, since they do not form the secondary tissue, they are referred to as a closed. When xylem and phloem within a vascular bundle are arranged in an alternative manner along the different radial, two arrangement is called radial, such as in root in conjoint type of vascular bundles. The xylem and phloem are jointly situated along the same radius of vascular bundles. Such vascular bundles are common in the stem and leaves. The conjoint vascular bundle usually have the phloem located only on the outer side of xylem. Anatomy of dicotyledons and monocotyledons plant. For a better understanding of tissue organization of root, stem, and leaves, it is convenient to study transversal section of the mature zones of these organs. Dicotyledon root. Look at the figure 86.3. Various types of vascular radial, conjoint, closed, conjoint, open. Look at the figure 6.8. It shows the transversal section of sunflower root. The internal tissue organization is a phloem. The outermost layer is the epidermal. Many of the cell epidermal protrude in the form unicellular root hairs. The cortex consists of several layers of thin-walled parenchymal cells. रूट हेयर हो गया, एपिडर्मल हेयर हो गया, कॉर्टेक्स हो गया, एंडोडर्मिस हो गया, पेरिसाइकल हो गया, प्रोटोजाइलम हो गया, मेटाजाइलम हो गया, पिथ हो गया, फाइलम हो गया। रूट हेयर हो गया, एपिडर्मिस हो गया, कॉर्टेक्स हो गया, एंडोडर्मिस हो गया, पेरिसाइकल हो गया, फाइलम, प्रोटोजाइलम, पिथ, मेटाजाइलम। डाइकोट रूट, प्राइमरी मोनोकोट रूट। With intercellular space, the innermost layer of cortex is called endodermis. It comprises a single layer of barrel-shaped without any intercellular space. The tangle as well as the radial wall of the endodermal cells have deposition of water, interpetal waxy material submarine in the form of casperine stick. Next to the endodermis lies a few layers of thick-walled parenchymatous. Cells are referred to as a pericycle. In addition of lateral root and vascular cambium, during the secondary growth takes place in these cells. The pith is small or inconspicuous. The parenchymatous cell, which lies between the xylem and the phloem, are called conjunctive tissue. There are usually 2 or 4 xylem-phloem patches. Later, a cambium ring develops between the xylem and phloem. All tissue on the inner side of endodermis, such as the parenchyma, vascular bundles, and pithes, consist of steel. Monocotyledon root. The anatomy of the monocot root is similar to the dicot root in many respects. Figure it has a epidermal cortex, endodermis, pericycle, vascular bundle, and a pith. As compared to the dicot root, which have a favor xylem bundle, there are usually more than 6 blotches. Xylem bundle in the monocot root. Pith is a large and well-developed monocotyledon root. Do not undergo any secondary growth. Dicotyledon system. The transversal section of typical young dicotyledon stem show that the epidermal is the outermost protective layer of the stem. Covered with a thin layer of cuticle, it may be bare trichomes, a few stomata. The cell arranged in multiple layers between epidermis and pericycle consists of cortex. It consists of 3 subzones. The outer epidermis consists of few layer collenchymatous cells just below the epidermis, which provide mechanical strength to young stem cortical layer. Below hypodermis consists of rounded thin-walled parenchymatous cell with the conspicuous intercellular space. The innermost layer of the cortex is called the endodermis. The cells of the endodermis are rich in starch. Grains and layer is also referred to as a starch sheet of पेरिसाइकिल इज सबसे ऊपर एपिडर्मल हेयर हो गया, एपिडर्मस पे हाइपोडर्मिस पैरेन्काइमट एंडोडर्मिस पेरिसाइकिल वेस्कुलर बंडल मेडुलरी रेज हो गया, ये पिथ हो गया, बीच वाली कैविटी क्या कहलाती है, पिथ कहलाती है। सबसे ऊपर एपिडर्मिस हो, कोलन काइमटस हो गया, फिर पैरेन्काइमट एंडोडर्मिस पेरिसाइकिल फाइलम हो गया, ये कैम्बियम हो गया, मेटाजाइलम हो गया, प्रोटोजाइलम हो गया, पिथ हो गया, एंड एपिडर्मिस हाइपोडर्मिस वेस्कुलर बंडल ग्राउंड टिश्यूज, एपिडर्मिस हाइपोडर्मिस वेस्कुलर बंडल फाइलम जाइलम ground tissues. Tissues dicot monocot present on the inner side of endodermis and above the phylum in the form of semi-lunar patches of sclerenchyma. In between the vascular bundle, there are few layers of radial places, parenchymatous cells which consist medullary rays. A large number of vascular bundles are arranged in a ring. The ring arrangement of vascular bundle is a characteristic of dicot stem. Each vascular bundle is conjoined open with endogynous protoxylem. A large number of rounded parenchymatous cells with a large intercellular space, which occupy the central portion of the stem, consist the pith. Monocotyledon stem. The monocotyledon stem has a sclerenchymatous hypodermis, a large number of scleroted vascular bundle, each surrounded by a sclerenchymatous. Bundles with a large consistency parenchymatous ground tissues. Vascular bundles are conjoined closed pericycle. Vascular bundles are generally small than are centrally located ones. The fallen parenchyma is absent and water containing cavities are present with the vascular bundle. बंडल जाइलम हो गया, फाइलम हो गया, एडॉक्सी एपिडर्मल हो गया, प्लाइडेक्सी पीजोफिल हो गया, एयर कैविटी हो गया, स्पंज म्यूजोफिल हो गया, सब स्टोमेटा कैविटीज हो गया, स्टोमेटा अपेक्टिस एपिडर्मल, डोर्सल वेंट्रल डाइकोटल लीफ. The vertical section of the dorsal ventral leaf through the lamina show the three main part named epidermal dermis, mesophyll and vascular system. The epidermis which covers both the upper surface. Apex epidermis lower surface is epidermis of leaf has a conspicuous cuticle. The apex epidermis generally bear more stomata than the apex epidermals. Apodexy, xylem, mesophyll, substomata cavity. Upper, the tissue between the upper and the lower epidermis is called the mesophyll. Mesophyll, which possess chloroplast and carry out photosynthesis, is made up of the parenchyma. It has two types of cell, the placed parenchyma and the spongy parenchyma. The doxy-placed palisade parenchyma is made up of the elongated cell, which are arranged dicot monocot vertically parenchyma to each other. The oval or round and loosely arranged spongy parenchyma is situated below the placed cell and extend to the lower epidermis. There are numerous large space and air cavities between these cells. Vascular system include vascular bundles which can be seen in the veins and the midrib. The size of vascular bundles are dependent on the size of veins. The veins are varied thickness in the reticulate venation of the dicot leaves. The vascular bundles are surrounded by layers of thick walled bundle sheath cells. Look at the figure and find the position of xylem in the vascular bundle. Isobutyl monocotyledon leaves. The anatomy of isobutyl leaf is similar to that of the dorsal ventral leaf in many ways. It shows the following characteristic difference in any isobutyl leaf. The stomata are present on the both surface of epidermis, and the mesophyll is not differentiated into the placid and spongy parenchyma. In grasses, certain adhoxy-epidermal cells along the vein modify themselves in large apathy. Colorless cells, these are called bulliform. When the bulliform cells in the leaves have absorbed water are the target. The leaf surface is exposed when they are the flaccid due to water. They make the leaves a color inward in the minimize water losses. The paler variation is the monocot leaves is reflect in the near similar size of vascular bundle, except in the main veins. As seen a vertical section of the leaves. Summary. Anatomy is a plant made of different kind of tissue. The plant tissues broadly classify into meristematic, apical, lateral, and intercalated and permanent, simple or complex, assimilation of food and its storage, transport of water, mineral, and photosynthesis. Mechanical support are the main function of tissue. There are three types of tissue system: epidermal, grounded, and vascular. The epidermal tissue system are made of epidermal cells, stomata, and epidermal appendage. The ground tissues system from the main bulk of the plant. It is divided into three zones: cortex, pericycle, and pith. The presence on the basis presence cambium location of xylem of phylum. The vascular bundle are of the different types. The vascular bundle from the conductive tissue translocated water. Mineral and food materials, monocotyledons and dicotyledon plant show marked variation in their the internal structure. They differ in type or number or location of vascular bundle. The secondary growth occurs in most of the dicotyledons, root and stems. Thank you for watching.